हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल साइंस क्लासरूम। आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 12 फिजिक्स का चैप्टर 1 दैट इज़ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस एंड फील्ड्स। क्वेश्चन इज दैट कंसिडर ए यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E vector equal to 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap Newton per Coulomb. So in question A, what is the flux of this field through a square of 10 centimeter on a side whose plane is parallel to the YZ plane? And question B is that what is the flux through the same square if the normal to its plane makes a 60-degree angle with the x-axis? Okay, so before solving this numerical, we have to know about the electric flux. Okay, so I am giving the basic concept of electric flux. So generally electric flux is denoted as phi. Okay, so if we consider a square and the area of the square is A vector and electric field is E vector. So here the electric flux through an area is the total number of electric lines of force crossing the area normally. So and it creates an angle between A and E. The angle is theta. Okay, the formula of electric flux is E vector dot A vector. Also it can be written as EA cos theta. So here E is the electric field, A is the area vector. Okay, and the theta is the angle between A and E. That is, here we consider a theta. That is, theta is the angle between A and E. Okay, so now in question A, that what is the flux of this field through a square of 10 centimeter on a side whose plane is parallel to the YZ plane. So according to the question, that given E equal to 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap Newton per Coulomb. This I cap indicates that the electric field is in x direction. Okay, and the side of the square is 10 centimeter. Area of square is, that is, side square. So 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 square, which is in meter. Okay, we can write that 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. This is the area of the square. Okay, flux of this field through a square of 10 centimeter on a side whose plane is parallel to the YZ plane. Okay, so for that we have to draw a three-dimensional frame, that is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Okay, so as the electric field is in x-axis, so इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन है हमारा एक्स एक्सिस की तरफ. सिंस द प्लेन ऑफ स्क्वायर is lie in the YZ plane, therefore the direction of area vector is along x-axis. Okay, so this is the surface of the square, we can write is S. So the direction of the area vector is along x axis, since the plane of the square is lie in the YZ plane. Okay, from the formula of electric flux, we can write phi equal to E A cos theta. So since the direction of A and the electric field is in the same direction, so there is no angle. So here theta is 0. Okay, since area vector and electric field are in the same direction. So we can write that phi equal to 3 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. So which is 30 Newton meter square per coulomb. Okay, our electric flux will be 30 Newton meter square per coulomb. Now in question B, what is the flux through the same square if to its plane makes an 60-degree angle with the x-axis? If the area vector makes an angle 60-degree with x-axis, phi equal to EA, so which is EA cos theta. So we can write the value of E, that is 3 into 10 to the power 3 into value of A is 10 to the power minus 2 into cos 60-degree. So which is 30 into cos 60-degree का वैल्यू है हाफ, so which is 15. So 15 Newton meter square per coulomb. This is the value of phi. So this phi is for that the flux through the same square if the normal to its plane makes an angle 60-degree with the x-axis. So this is the value of phi for the angle 60-degree. Okay, this much for today. Okay, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.